There is such a huge shift in energy in youngster these days. I don't know what's happening to these young people, but their stress level has increased so much. They are losing patience. Everything they want has to be instant. Youngsters absolutely do not have any patience these days. But this is just a little effort from my side for those young people or anybody who think that there is so much stress in life, that things are very hard and they cannot handle it, and that's the end of their life. If you happen to watch this video, this is for you. Just a little effort from my side to help you or guide you to manage that stress. Although I don't like to say these words, manage the stress, because stress is not something that you should be managing. You should not have it at all. But you have it, that's the reality. So I hope that this video turns you in a positive way, changes your mind towards positivity. First of all, I would encourage you to please, if you get a chance, take out only 5 minutes, only 5 minutes from your life every day to just sit back away from the gadgets. Don't think of anything, just sit back and relax. First of all, what I want you to do is turn off your phones. Please do not have any gadgets with you for the next 5 to 10 minutes. If you are listening this on your phone, then please put it on do not disturb. And then either lie down or sit down and relax your body. Comfortably relax. Just let go of your hands, let go of your legs, just let go of everything. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. Take another deep inhale and exhale. One more time. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Now just bring your focus on your feet. Imagine that you are seeing your feet while your eyes are closed. Just get a picture of your feet in your mind. And gently imagine that you are massaging your feet. Feel that massage, the pressure on your feet. Just keep breathing and feel the massage. Slowly take the massage up towards your calf muscles. Feel those calf muscles getting massaged up and down, relaxing your body. Gently feel the massage on your knees. Feel the massage in circular motion. Your knees are getting relaxed. Then take your focus to your thighs. Massage thighs, upper thighs, inner thighs. Massage the whole leg. Have that feeling of relaxation. Gently massage your hips, Again, take a deep breath and relax the whole lower body. Massage the whole lower body. Slowly take your focus to your lower back. Massage your lower back. Feel the hands on your lower back. Nice warm feeling. Massage. Gently going upwards towards your middle back and upper back. Feel the whole backbone getting massaged, the whole spine getting massaged. Massage your shoulder blades. Feel the thumb running down alongside the shoulder blade bone. Massage your shoulders. Feel the shoulders getting stronger with every stroke of massage. Massage your arms. Massage those biceps, the strong biceps, the strong triceps. Massage your forearms. Massage your hands. Feel the strength coming in your fingers. Strength to crush any problem you have. Take another deep inhale and massage the whole middle part of the body. Gently bring your focus to your neck. Massage your neck. Going up from the shoulders and going down again. Massage the area behind your ears. Feel the relaxed feeling. Take a deep breath. Slowly massage the forehead. Massage your temples. Massage your third eye. Gently take your focus to the crown of your head. Take a deep breath. Feel the cosmic energy coming towards the crown. It can be any form. Bright white light, shower, rainfall, shower of flowers, anything that you want to resonate with. Feel that cosmic energy coming towards the crown of your head. As you inhale, welcome the cosmic energy. As you exhale, send it down to your body. Breathe normally, but every time you inhale, feel the cosmic energy coming towards the crown. Every time you exhale, send it down to your body. Stay with this cosmic energy. Take a deep inhale. Bring the consciousness back towards your body. Become aware of the weight of the body on the mat or on the floor or chair. Become aware of your surroundings. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Turn your head from one side to the other. Take another deep breath. Be aware that you are not your mind. Your mind is just a part of your body. It will work as you please. Your strength, your capabilities are unlimited. So as you start to open your eyes, try to open your eyes to the new you, to the person who has unlimited capabilities, to the person who can find out the solution to any problem. Take another deep breath and very slowly, taking your own time, in no rush, open your eyes. Now remember, there is no problem bigger than you. How you feel is not in anybody else's hands. How you feel is in your hand. Any situation or any person acts in a certain way. It's in your hand how you want to react. Don't be weak and please look towards the life in a positive way. I wish you all a very happy and healthy life. Namaste.